Hi, this is JB LENNUX, and today we are going to be helping with a nonprofit organization by doing a fundraiser, and we are going to be making an easy cake kit from the Duncan Hines brand. And we're going to be doing this by combining 3 boxes of ingredients. So we're going to triple all the ingredients. So if it calls for 1 egg, we're going to put 3. If it says 3 tablespoons, we're going to put 9. If it says we're going to put the oven up to 300, we got to put it up to 300. We ain't going to 3 times that. But I do appreciate everyone watching. So this is obviously for a good event. It's a good cause. This is a nonprofit organization that we are obviously helping out. This is a healthy channel, but I do like to support the local nonprofits and for their wonderful good causes that they do. They do serve a great purpose in the community. And I'm gonna keep this one remain confidential. So yes. Anyways, so we're here whipping it up and we're gonna be making some cookies. So each one we're gonna be having an 8-inch rounded cookie. We're gonna be cutting it into 4. And then we're going to be having them single serve in these nice handy dandy little gift-like little bags. And we're going to do some fundraising. So I will keep you tuned in on what's up next. So yeah, it's going to be big fun. And we're going to make this whole thing just a bunch of short videos. So thank you so much for watching. Like the page and I'll keep you updated as we go along.